Number 47 for Carmichael. This is a 1955 Hudson Wasp, guys. We got a lot of extra paperwork with it. Dwayne was the Hudson dealer in Cherokee, Iowa in the 50s, and he bought it brand new, and it transferred to a family member in 1958, and it's never left the family. It's original 98,000 miles. We got the oil change book and all the records where he kept it, probably until the day it was parked. We do have a lot of extra stuff with it, including owner's manuals. I did check the motor. The motor is stuck. Probably wouldn't take much to get it freed up, but it is what it is. All right, there you go, guys. And what do I want to go? 5, now 600. And 600 on this does have a title. It does have a title. Now 600. 600, now 7. And 7, now 8. And 800 on 9 would have been 900 all in all, 1,000. And 1,000, 1,100, now 12. And 1,200, now 13. Now 1,400, now 1,500, and 16 would have been 16, now 1,700, and 18. 18, now 19, now 2 grand. $2,000 and a 1, now 2. 2,200 and 3 would have 23, now 4. 2,400 on the 4, now 5. Now 6, now 7, now 8. 2,800, now 9, now 3 grand. 3 grand 1. And 3,100 on a 1, but a 1, now 1, 1, now 1, but a 1, now 1. 3,100 on a 1, 1, now 1. It's a clean car, guys. Very clean car. 3,100 on a 1, but a 1, now 1, 1, and 1. 3,100 on a 1, now 2. 3,200, now 3. And 3,300 on the 3, but a 3,300 on the 3, 3, now 3, but a 3,300. 3,300 on the 3, 3, now 3, but a 3,300 on the 3, 3, and 3, now 4. And 34, now 5. And 3,500 on the 5, but a 3,500 on the 5, 5, now 5, but a 3,500. 3,500, excuse me. 3,500, 3,500 on the 5, but a 5, 5, now 5, but a 3,500. 3,500. Sold it, $3,400, number 122. Number 122.
Take a car, sung by Collins and Harlan, that is on record. It's 42 Morty, now where shall we go in the summertime? Said Morty to Florty, don't spend all your dough in the summertime. We need all we've got for a house and a lot, and if you don't mind, a suggestion I'll make, and we'll make no mistake in the summertime. Step lively, all aboard. Take a car, next closer. Take a car, yes, please. Wherever you go, take a car. It's easy for your handsome van automobiles. If you're out for pleasure that travels on wheels, take a car, all fast. Take a car, yes, please. No matter how near or how far, in daylight or twilight, in starlight or skylight, all on. Take a car. Now Florty and Morty got married one day in the summertime. It's Coney and Brighton or Far Rockaway in the summertime. She's not satisfied just to take a car ride when the weather's fine. And though often she tries, he will only reply in the summertime. 42nd Street, let them off, please.
42nd Street, you fresh thing. I told you to let me off. 4 blocks below.
Get out of here. Is this your dog, miss?
Yes, it is, and I wish he had a bitten you. Come on, Fido.
Take a car, get closer. Take a car, yes, please. Wherever you go, take a car. It's easy for your handsome van automobile. If you're out for pleasure that travels on wheels, take a car, all fast. Take a car, yes, please. No matter how near or how far. In daylight or twilight, in starlight or skylight, all on. Take a car.